Fixing a suspended Instagram account can be a frustrating experience, but it is not impossible. The first step is to understand why your account was suspended in the first place. Instagram suspends accounts for violating their terms of service, which includes spamming, harassment, and posting explicit content. To start the recovery process, open the Instagram app and log into your account. If your account is suspended, you will see a message indicating that your account has been disabled. Tap on the Learn More button to understand the reason for the suspension. If you believe your account was suspended by mistake, you can appeal the decision by filling out the appeal form. The form will ask for your username, email address, and the reason why you think your account was suspended incorrectly. Make sure to provide as much detail as possible to help Instagram understand your situation. While waiting for Instagram to review your appeal, make sure to review Instagram's terms of service to understand what you did wrong and how you can avoid it in the future. This will also help you to identify if you have indeed violated any of the rules. If your appeal is approved, your account will be reinstated and you will receive an email from Instagram. However, if your appeal is denied, you can try to provide more information or context to support your case. It is also important to note that if your account is suspended due to repeated violations, it may be permanently disabled. In this case, you will not be able to recover your account and you will have to create a new one. To avoid having your account suspended in the future, make sure to post content that is respectful and follows Instagram's guidelines. Avoid spamming, harassment, and posting explicit content. Also, be cautious when using third-party apps and services as they may violate Instagram's terms of service. By following these steps and guidelines, you can recover your suspended Instagram account and avoid having it suspended in the future. Remember to always follow Instagram's terms of service and to be respectful to other users to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience on the platform.